What's going on, guys? We accidentally deleted our intro video, so I'll make another one. I pulled the beamer out of there, cut doughies and everything, and then skated into the factory, but no more. So what we're doing today is we're taking out the stock. Well, we're not actually taking out the stock knuckle, but we've got knuckle adapters, so basically connects to the knuckle, gives us more lock. Yeah, so these are the knuckles I got off eBay. Let's have a look at them. These are a pretty cheap mod. I haven't really seen many reviews with photos of how much lock they actually get, but it claims that it gives you 30% extra lock. And there it is, even says E36 on it. That basically goes on the bottom of your like steering setup, connects to your steering rack, and it helps you get more lock. Comes with all the hardware. There's the other one there. Probably some manufacturing thing saying not used for the street. Dear valued customer. Anyway, stuff like that. Let's chuck it in. Let's see what the stock steering lock's like, and then we'll be able to compare it at the end. Oop. Here it comes.
There we go.
That's my full lock at the moment. Let's have a look at that on both sides. That's full lock. There's that lock. There's the lock on that side. And now we will chuck these in and compare it all at the end.
Sweet.
Probably bending the floor up a little bit, but that's okay. Alrighty, so turn this. So what we're changing is, I've got a light on it for you. Have a look under here. So we're bolting onto this, the bottom of this, and the bottom of, one second. Yeah, and the bottom of that. And basically extending where, shortening where this tie rod, or whatever it's called, steering rack, connects to. Off the rack, pretty simple. Well, this is the shit tip. There we go.
Just giving it some tender loving care.
Yep. What you gonna do?
Finessing it.
Oh, I can't sit it up there so it doesn't just fall. Put that on there. So,
New parts always look good.
new parts always look good. There's starting to be a few different things on this car. It's not just all stock anymore. Ah, that's great.
What'd you say? Say?
No.
One more time. One more time?
No.
Come on, drifted piece.
Come on.
Come on. Now.
Oh. Fucking. Does these like a man?
It's a little bit
Jesus!
more. We need to put the wheel on.
Yeah!
Maybe you can need like a 14 to put on.
This is what knuckles usually look like in a car. And when people say they've got cut and shut knuckles, it's usually just cut somewhere there, like 10, 20 mil taken out, and then this move just slightly down. So then, instead of the steering rack connecting to there and have to move all the way to there to give you full lock, it gets a lot more from a closer leverage point, I guess you'd call it. But yeah, that's the simple way to explain knuckles. I think this next one's at 19. That it is.
Camera flip. Camera flip. Camera flip. Camera flip.
See Zach off Who Can Do That?
Yeah.
Fuck, that was funny. He's full like, hey!
He done it really well, actually.
He'd be a funny as actor. Even better, we get him on daily transmission.
What's happening?
Well, the camera just went a little bit spaz because I still had all the footage on it from Winton, which that video will be uploaded after I edit this one. I'm going to edit this one tonight and finish uploading the Winton videos, and then we'll be there. But for now, I've got these two ball joints off. The steering one will just pop off easy. I had to whack the shit out of this one. But that should, yeah, there we go, that comes off now. Got my little stand here. There we go. That slips on right there. Where's all the hardware back here? Sweet. That slides up, just like that. I should probably, like, if you were to take it all off the car, undo the speed sensor, whatever that is, take the brake line off, you could use a vice and actually press that in. Or if you have a proper rattle gun, it should pull it through, but I've only got an impact driver. So, I can only really get it 3/4 of the way in, but I'm sure after a tiny bit of driving, you'll pull it through and we will be there. So
We're live.
So after you put both knuckles on, you need to crack your steering rack, whatever you call them, and adjust it a bit because my steering wheel's straight and both wheels are facing outwards a bit. So we're gonna shorten them a little bit, make them both straight, and then see how much lock we've got. Well, the knuckles are all in, but my steering arms, right here, seem to be a little bit seized because I can't seem to turn them in anymore, and I'm sure you should be able to use these with the stock lower control arms. So no, obviously if you push the lower control arm out, I'll need longer steering arms, so maybe I need to change them, but I'll come down with a few of the other fellas and see what they reckon. But yeah, thanks as always for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll speak to you guys soon. Peace. While we're at it, I'll unbox this. Da-da-now. 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 And here, flick this fucking cigarette. Here is my new guard roller. Gotta love the cheap Chinese quality guard rollers. Beautiful, look at that. Magnificent. Huge setup job here. It'll take days. I think that's the one for there. Maybe not. Oh wait, maybe. And then this. Hold that. Oh, these will come off. Beautiful. Now I can start lowering guards. I'm guessing this should be that way. Beautiful. Well, yeah, there's already a ton of videos out there showing people how to roll guards, but I might make one. I'm not sure. It'll probably just be me rolling a guard in one of the videos. I probably won't go into full detail because it is so simple. All you do is put that up where your wheel would go, adjust this accordingly, where your wheel arch is and roll it. Simple as that. Yay for new tools though. And start that quick.